Hello everyone, today we're doing an unboxing on two different lean LED ceiling lights from Silvinco. Let's get started. The first is a white 3000K lean LED ceiling light. Oops. Alright, you have your on and off. It's just a simple tap. See how thin it is. You got your wiring. All your directions on how to install and wire it, which is very simple. Next up is the lean LED ceiling light. This one is a satin nickel 4000K wiring harness. Same thing as the white, but in a nice satin silver color. On and off, simple touch. Wiring harness. And your directions. One other thing they sent us is an aluminum white frame for the lights. Let me take that out of the bag here. This is good if you're replacing an older existing light which takes up a little bit more space. In the back of the light they have the screw holes. Basically you're going to take the plate, mount the light and the plate. That's going to cover any hole. There you have it. There's also directions on how to install this. We will also put links below where you can get your own Silvinco products. As of June 1st, we have become affiliates with Silvinco. We'll be featuring more of their products on our website here soon. We'll be doing an install video here shortly. Until then, happy trails.